Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL 17 on Fedora Linux. The process is same on all Fedora Linux versions. First open Firefox or any web browser, then go to PostgreSQL official website, that is postgresql.org. See here, on September 26, 24, PostgreSQL 17 is released. The world's most advanced open source relational database. Click on download, click on Linux, then click on Red Hat, Rocky or Alma Linux. Click on it. See here, the PostgreSQL M repository currently supports on RHEL, Rocky Linux, Alma Linux, CentOS, Oracle Linux and Fedora. Okay, and also see here we have the M repositories for the versions 12 to 17 and latest version is 17. So select 17 and select the platform. See here we have the Fedora 39, 40 or 41. So select your Fedora version. If you are not sure the version, then open terminal and verify the version. More /etc os-release. See, I am on Fedora 40. Okay, Control A. So select the platform according to your OS version. Select 40 and see. Once we selected, these are the commands to be run to install the PostgreSQL 17 on Fedora Linux. Copy these commands one by one and paste. See, first it is going to install the RPM repository. Copy it, go to the terminal, paste it, hit enter. Then provide the password of sudo user. It is done. Now install the PostgreSQL. So by copying this command, we can install the PostgreSQL 17. Control L to clear screen, paste it. See, if you give 17, it will install the 17. If you give 16, it will install the version number of the PostgreSQL 16. If you give 15, it will install the 15. So based on requirement, you can select. And here Y means flag Y means no need to provide Y every time. That is confirmation S. Hit enter. See here, if you don't provide Y here every time, we need to give the Y for confirmation. Okay. Now confirmation again Y. We have successfully installed PostgreSQL 17 on Fedora. Now optionally we have to initialize the database. So copy this command and initialize it. It is done. Control L. Now we will see the status of PostgreSQL. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL -17. It is the service name. Enter. See, PostgreSQL 17 is installed, but it is not started and disabled. So to enable, we have to run these commands. First one is to enable and second one is to start the PostgreSQL service. Q to quit, Control A, paste, hit enter. It is done. Now start it. Just replace this enable with start. Hit enter. It is done. Now verify the status of the PostgreSQL service. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL -17. It is typo. See, PostgreSQL service is running and it is enabled. Q to quit, Control L to clear screen. Now after installation, we have to connect to PostgreSQL. Sudo su-postgres is the command to connect to switch to Postgres user. Then PSQL. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL server. Then we will verify this version of the PostgreSQL. See, this is not the PostgreSQL server version. It is the PSQL client version. So to find the PostgreSQL server, we have to run this command, that is select version. Enter. See, we have installed PostgreSQL 17.0. Control L to clear screen. After connecting to PostgreSQL server, we have to set the password for the Postgres user, which is the super user. So command is alter user, then provide the username Postgres with password. Provide the new password or this password. Hit enter. We have successfully set the password. Verify the list of the users. See, we have only one user, that is Postgres. If you verify the list of the databases by using \l. See, by default only these three databases comes with the installation of PostgreSQL on Linux or any environment. Okay, Control L to clear screen. Now let us create a database. Create database R2 schools. Now verify again \l. See, new database R2 schools is there. Now let us create now let us create a table in this new database. Control L \c or \connect is the command to switch to another database. So you are now connected to database R2 schools as user Postgres. Let us create a table. Create table. Before that, verify the list of the tables. See, we don't have any relations. So let us create table. See, one table is created. If I can see, we have the table, and this is the public schema, and this is the name of the table, and type is table. One is Postgres. So insert some data into this table. Insert one more row. See, notice here I have given 101. Here also I am trying to give 101. It will throw error. See, duplicate key value violates unique key constraint. Okay, why? Because here I have defined the column sname as primary key. If any column is defined with primary key, it won't allow the duplicate value. So we have to give the unique value for this column. Okay, hit enter. See, now verify the data. See, we have these three rows. Okay, so if we give the star, means it will retrieve all column details of the table. If you want to get only the particular column, we have to give like sname from student. Here also we got the all column names, but if you want only the particular sname column, we have to give sname from table. See, we got the only sname column values. Okay, Control L to clear screen. \du. See, we have only one user, so let us create a user by using create user James with password. We have successfully created. Let us verify. Now we will see how to connect to PostgreSQL with this new user. /q to quit from this console. Now type the PSQL-HH means hostname here localhost, or you can give the IP or domain name, anything is fine. And then -d, that is database name, -u must be caps, then give the username. Hit enter, then provide the password of this James user. See, we have connected. Let us verify current user. See, we have connected with the user James. Now try to create a table with this new user. Create table. See, permission in for the schema public. So why? Because this user doesn't have any privileges, but Postgres is super user which is having all the privileges in the server. So there is a video in the video description to grant and revoke privileges for a user in PostgreSQL. You can go through it and you can practice it. Okay, exit from this user. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart PostgreSQL on Linux system. Sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL -17. Hit enter. Now verify again. See, PostgreSQL service is stopped and it is enabled. Q to quit. Now let us try to connect to it. Postgres PSQL. See, we are unable to connect because it is stopped. So start it again. We can't start with Postgres user. So exit from this user. Sudo su sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL tab, hit enter. Now verify again. See, PostgreSQL service is running. Q to quit, Control L to clear screen. Now we will see how to restart the PostgreSQL service on Fedora link. Sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL 17. Hit enter. Verify again. See, we have restarted 2 seconds ago. Q to quit, Control L to clear screen. So in this video we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL 17 on Fedora Linux 40. But the process is same on Fedora Linux 39, 40 or 41. For more PostgreSQL or Fedora Linux videos, tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.